made it to LDI. Hey everybody, Nick Marzak with Full Compass. We are continuing our coverage of LDI Show 24 here in Las Vegas, and this booth is all about quality. Whether you're looking at consoles, interfaces, lighting consoles, whatever, you want something that in your connectors is going to be the highest quality, quality control tested, and just operate at a really high level. And this brand is the most recommended brand in AV. I'm talking about Neutrik, of course. This is a really long intro, but I want to introduce Brant, you are a customer solutions engineer for Neutrik.
Yes, one of the 3 customer solutions engineers in North America and South America.
Yeah.
And we are here to help find the right connector solution for your projects and your devices.
Yeah, and one way to know if your product is quality is to look to see if it has Neutrik connectors in it. So let's talk about some of these new connectors that you have available this year at LDI.
Perfect, thanks Nick. The first product we're going to talk about is our retractable Ethercon connector. It's something that's been asked for quite a while, and Neutrik has come to the table here with this product. So a lot of people have lost their metal housing in the past.
Yep.
We have come up with a connector now that you do not lose the metal housing. So you simply put your finger in, retract that out, and now you've got an RJ45 connector that plugs into your devices that do not have the Ethercon connectors already built into them. So a lot of your switches and your other video routers and whatnot that don't have an Ethercon style connector actually have a solution now where you're not going to lose your housings. And it just simply slides right back on and you're back to Ethercon. So it's that simple. It's a perfect product to get out there and you're losing less parts.
Yeah, that is really, really cool. It's going to save you on, cable budget too. It's going to keep these products or keep these components from getting damaged and stuff. It's really awesome.
Right, yep, it does all the protection. It's IP rated, and so it gets all the IP65, so it keeps water out. So all of your top rated products that we have that are Ethercon, it's fully compatible with all that, plus now you're not losing the shells when you take them apart.
That's awesome.
Which we all know what happens.
Yeah, absolutely.
And so,
okay, what is this? What is this fun one?
Here, this is our PowerCon True 1 connector that's been out for about 11 years, and we've got the next generation of this. Actually, it's a 2-compound product where it's got a rubbery type surface on it, so in your gloves it's not slippery, but it has all the IP ratings, 250 volts, 20 amps on that. It's got a composite latch now instead of a metal latch because we're trying to get rid of some of those metal parts that could jeopardize something.
Yep.
So we're really doing that. It's got a new housing where we can pull this off. It matches all of our PowerCon product family. Wow. And the same types of boots used with both large diameter, and then we also have a small diameter cable as well. And so the parts all hold together. Simply connect everything, thread that on, and you're done. You can hear the clicks, and then you tighten it with the tools so that it cannot be taken apart in the field without tools to further add safety to it.
Yeah.
So the new family of products here, it's really great, and the next generation just coming out right now.
So what I feel like separates Neutrik from a lot of brands is just you could feel the quality in this, how it tightens, the components that fit together so well, ratchet closed, the little details that make these such high quality products.
Right, that's the reason why so many of us are with Neutrik. We've used these products in the past, and we're with them. We know the benefits of Neutrik products, and so we're here using them now and showing everybody else how to use them.
That's awesome.
So I'd like to transition to our next family of product. These are our Neutrik power blocks here. Power distribution systems. Here's a turtle used with video boards. It's got a mount in the back for clamps to be attached to it. And then the cables will simply just go out to the various portions of a video board, or it can be placed on the ground and cables are run parallel to the ground so you don't have something so much to step over. So that's one of our power turtles, brand new product. We're building this here in the United States, down in Missouri, so it's a great product, great way to get stuff made here in the US.
Yeah.
And we have these power strips here also that have clamps that go right onto trussing. You see how simple that is?
Yeah.
Feed through power, has all of our PowerCon True 1s on them. This is an indoor version. The clamps come off just so that you can use that. So now you can just set this somewhere. You can screw mount it or however you want to mount it. Clamp it to the trusses. So very, very exciting with that. It can go on to truss work both this way as well as this way, internally as well. And so a lot of different options for that. And we also have a larger version up here. You come here. And you see how easily I pulled those off. They're positive latching. You don't need all the extra gear holding it on for safety and whatnot.
Yeah.
And again, here we go. It's just simple, and it's the same types of uses for these.
So versatile with the screw holes too. Also, you can't feel it obviously on camera, but it just feels solid. Like this is a really solid piece. It can handle its tour, it can handle, you know, outdoor use.
And yet it's lightweight.
Yeah.
And so this one here is particularly is an indoor version. We got the outdoor version going through certifications right now, and so that'll be on the market really soon. The material is made out of one that we helped develop called Easy Lean. And so it's all just a high density type plastic, and it is a very rugged, robust piece of gear, and so it's not going to get broken easily. It's not going to dent. It's going to hold up to it. It's got spaces for stickers to be applied for your own tracking. So if you have a rental house, you can put your own QR codes or other codes on there for scanning. You can see just all the reliability of those things. They are totally solid, and that's under our Contract brand of products. Like I said, fully assembled right here in Jackson, Missouri.
Yeah.
So nice USA-made product.
So the top quality in power distribution, in connectors. This is the most recommended brand in AV. Did I mention that? I did. But here at LDI Show, I wanted to mention it again. That's what's new at Neutrik. And as always, you can go to fullcompass.com or call your sales rep for all things Neutrik and check your consoles and components. Make sure they have Neutrik connectors. Thanks so much for meeting with us.